Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about air conditioning repair service in Mesa, Arizona. Water Air Heating and Cooling LLC. The technician called me immediately, offered speaking to NG, very professional, and made quick work of the issues I had with my smart 3 most widely highly recommended and will be calling back for the future service. Arizona Cooling Company, honest, easy to work with, will now hire AVE Cooling again. Selmier LLC, very responsive on time and kept me informed on status and all progress. Would highly recommended. Selmier Buckeyes AC and LLC, needed emergency work done on my AC unit, and after calling around I found Buckey AC. DJ came to my house and fixed problem in no time. Great customer service and the work didn't cost fortune. Desert Freeze AC LLC, very knowledgeably about the service needed. Always fair heating and air. They were a great customer service, fast response time, great communication, great air, great and fair pricing. Will for sure continue to use them. Valley White Cooling LLC, they returned my inquiry within an hour of submitting it on thanks division day professionals and will be out do the work tomorrow afternoon. I am very pleased so far. AC and Plumbing Pro LLC, unlicensed contractor. These guys are quick to respond, have a genuine concern for getting the job done fast but also done right. Highly recommended for anyone looking for HVAC services. YC's Air LLC, there were when they said they would be here, and 5 hours later and I had a new air heat conditioners. Did a great job. I'm with my normal technicians, then stop to see how they are coming along. Mechanical Brothers Heating and Cooling LLC, they called me less than 5 minutes after submitting my request.